Hi guys, welcome to Math Day 4 of week 01. So for math today, our objective is I can count, read, write, and represent numbers to 20. All right, so make sure you have your journal. I know we didn't use our journals for phonics this time around, but I want you to use that same page where you wrote the date. So go ahead and write the date at the very top, okay? It should be 4/3/20. It should already be there because you should have watched phonics first before math. Okay. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to count. Our first thing we're doing is going to count. Okay. So here we go. Remember, please pause me if you need time to count with each card. Also, so let me give you a little preview. So I know we did this yesterday, but I want to remind you. Okay. So on the side, it gives you some hints as to what the number could be. So if we count our trapezoids, 1, 2, is this the number 2? Is this the number 2? Is this the number 2? Yes. Okay, so this is going to give you some helpful hints as to how many shapes there are in the blank. Okay, so here we go. Remember, you can pause me to count. We're not subitizing. You don't got to know like this. That's not my expectation. My expectation is that you can pause me and you're going to count as best you can. Here we go. Go ahead and count. You can pause. Oh, you know what? It's upside down. Oh my goodness gracious, Miss Guidi. Guess it doesn't matter. 9, good job. 10. Get some ones from yesterday. Here we go. Count. 8, good job. This one's a toughie. Please pause me so you can count. 19, good job. Here we go. 17, good job. 'Remember to pause me so you can count on your own. 20, good job. 4, good job. It's a little bit tricky, all the triangles. 18, good job. 'Remember to pause me so you have time to count. 14, good job. We'll do one more. Let's do this one. One more. 15, good job. Here we go. Alrighty. Next, I can count, read. So here we go. I'm going to show you some numbers, and you're going to tell me what number it is, okay? So I'm not going to say the number back. You're going to have to tell me what number it is, okay? I'm going to try to mix them up better than I did last time, better than yesterday, because oh my goodness, they looked like they were in order. Okay, let's make sure this is all mixed up as best Miss Guidi can. I wish I could shuffle them like a deck of cards. See if I can shuffle them like a deck of cards. Barely. They're going to be upside down. Oh my goodness gracious. Alrighty, here we go. As fast as Guidi can, because I just made them upside down. Here we go. Make sure you're saying these out loud. What number is it? What number is it? Make sure you're saying it out loud. Last but not least, this one. All right, one more time, and then we'll head over to writing. All right, here we go. Make sure you're saying these numbers out loud. Miss Squiddy is not going to help. You need to do it on your own. And lucky last is this one again. Lucky last. All right, here we go. Good job with counting and reading your numbers. Now it's time to write. So you will need your pencil. You will need your journal, and go ahead and stay on that page. Here we go. On the lines, do not write in the big blank space. On the lines, we're writing our numbers all the way to 10. Here we go. All right, so let's write our numbers, and I'm going to talk about the chant again. Here we go. I might just put it. Miss Squiddy has not learned it quite yet. Oh, that's not going to fit. Okay. Here we go. For 0. Round and round like a superhero. That's the way you write a 0. For number 1. A straight line down is lots of fun. That's the way you make a 1. Down and around and back on the track. 2, 2. Number 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way you make a 3. Number 4, here we go. From the top, then across, on the top once more, and down. That's the way you make a 4. Here we go, number 5. Down and around, and put on a hat. Number 5 looks just like that. Wait, now number 6. Down and around, 6 rolls a hoop. Let's go to number 7. Over, right, and down from the sky. Give number 7 a try. Number 8, here we go. make an S, then close the gate. That's the way you make an 8. Let's go to number 9. Circle left, then draw a line. That's the way you make a 9. Last one, let's write our number 10. Here we go. A 1 and a 0. Number 10, the superhero. You should have all of these numbers written down in your journal. Alrighty. Go ahead and get out your 20 frame. Get out your counters. So we have counted, we have read some numbers, we have wrote numbers, and now it is time to represent numbers. We're going to represent numbers with our counters. So make sure you have your counters, or you can use anything you can if you want to count with. You can use Legos if you have Legos, you can use Cheerios. All these things are called manipulatives. Remember, we learned a lot about manipulatives in the beginning of the year. All right, so Ms. Squee's going to erase our objective for today. Okay, here we go. You ready? All right, this is the first number I want you to put on your 20 frame. That number right there. All right, I'm going to put it aside. Next number I want you to put on your 20 frame. Go ahead and put that on your 20 frame, please. Good job. All right. Go ahead and put it to the side. We're making a new number. On your 20 frame, you're going to put this. Good job. Put it to the side. Make this one in your 20 frame. Alrighty. Another one in your 20 frame. Remember, you can pause me if you need time to fill up your 20 frame, okay? All right, last one. Here we go. In your 20 frame, go for it. All right. In the box above where you wrote your numbers, I want you to choose a number and write it 4 different ways. So this is Miss Guidi's number. Remember, you cannot copy me. You're not going to do this number. Do something different. Here we go. I'm going to choose the number 7. I love the number 7. So this is what it should look like in your blank box. You should show me the number and then draw lines just like this. So I'm going to show you 4 different ways that I can write the number 7. The first one I'm going to use hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to do smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Choose a different number. You are not going to choose 7. And use that box above where you wrote your letters to finish this assignment. Okie doke. All right, you guys. That concludes math for the week. Good job, everybody. I'll see you on Monday for math.